The Bosch BOVA, quiet is this unit's middle name. That's how quiet it is. You don't even hear it. I know what a compressor sounds like after 38 years of doing this, and I still sometimes can't tell if the compressor's running without putting my gauges on it. So yes, these units are super quiet. Dennis with Mega Air coming to you live from Pearl River. In the middle of this COVID-19 crisis, we just installed another Bosch BOVA. We probably got about 60 or 70 of these installed in New Orleans, Mandeville, Slidell, Covington. These units are unbelievable. As you can see here, the amperage on this thing is about 3.3, 3.5, something like that. It's in speed number 35 right now, out of 85 speeds it can select from. It's like a mini split system, except it's adapted for a house. So it's got an inverter driven compressor, which is the next thing since sliced bread. It's awesome. The amp draw on them is really low. They control humidity really well because the thing can exactly match the heat load of your house, so you get more runtime on it, which means you don't get humidity swings. You know, it's going to run most of the day, but it's going to keep your humidity in check. The other good thing about these is they are quiet. I'm talking louder than the unit makes noise. 57.9 decibels roughly when I'm not talking. So besides being super quiet, giving you about 85 speeds to select from to cycle through to cool your house, the unit tries to run in the lowest speed possible. So most of the time this unit's probably going to be drawing about between 3 and 5 amps. In the heat of the day, if it needs to ramp up to the full 3 tons, it might jump up to around 15, 16 amps, something like that. But still, the amp draw is extremely low. Every customer I've put these in for has nothing but good things to say about them. So they are the next best thing since sliced bread.